Right, checking out the veto bags. We just got over the that we got from the award show, the 2024 Tactical Award Show. So I got two bags just here at Chicago, and let's see what's inside of it. All right, so we'll just start at the first bag, or the first pouch. So we got a koozie. Work hard, hard work. All right. Cool, cool. We got Cool Air products. All right. Looks like we got a little game. Sweet. Close this one up. Go to the next pouch. What we got? Sweet. Trusted G. Global. Nice. Got their stickers. Super cool. What else do we got? We got a hvac thermostat. Let's see what we got over here. We got Midwest. The right tool since 1945. Pencil. Sweet, sweet. Loving it, loving it. Okay, go to the top. So what we got? We got Viper. Viper, maintain your cool. So I guess for your, it's a cool pouch. Did I miss something in there? And then looks like we got more stickers. Let's go into the other pouch. We got gloves. HVAC air trap. Got a beanie. And global. All right, AMRAD. The brackets. I done a video on one of these. You guys can look for that. Check it out on YouTube. And yeah, pretty cool. So I'm glad they came out with these brackets. Really nice. Magnet. Potato chips. Cup. Nice. Looks like another cup. This one in here, I think those are glass cups in there. So awesome. So the other pouch. Magazine, hey, nice. Jeff Denham, flat, top notch, brothers. Yes, nice. Let's see what we got here on the other side. Rigid socks, cool, cool. Let's check out the other zipper side over here. Another sock. Okay, cool. Looks like they filled up each pocket in a way. Pretty cool. Then we got keychains, GE, Webstone, Trade Fox, Subco. Nice, Team Orange, Team Orange. What we got up here? RLS. Nice. Yeah, pretty cool. Same thing. Be the same. Yeah. Got the tactical. Not bad. Loving it, loving it. It goes that tactical for this one. So super cool. Thank you, Veto. Thank you to all the sponsors. Subco, Trade Fox, GE, Webstone, HVAC Tactical. Thank you, brother. RLS. Thank you, guys. Super amazing that you guys are doing this. There's one more that I'm missing. Vega. Super cool. Thank you, guys. Awesome. Amazing show. A lot of beautiful people. Thank you, guys.